In an organizational setup, most people think that they have valid reasons for not achieving their organizational targets, for not achieving their professional goals. But what if I told you a lot of those reasons are actually just excuses in disguise? Think about it. How often have you heard things like, I couldn't finish the project because I didn't have enough time, or I missed the deadline because I was waiting for inputs from another team member, or if you've heard something like, I didn't speak up in the meeting because my boss never listens anyway. A lot of these sentences that I'm talking about are very commonplace, right? But here's the problem. There's a thin line between a reason and an excuse, and most people don't realize when they've crossed that line. A reason acknowledges reality but comes with accountability. An excuse, on the other hand, shifts the blame onto somebody or something else. For example, saying that the deadline was tight, so I prioritized and delivered the most critical parts of the project first. That's a reason. Saying that the deadline was too short, so I couldn't do much about it, that is an excuse. And when we give reasons for failures multiple times over and over again, then those reasons start to seem like excuses to our bosses. And let me tell you one thing about bosses. They hate excuses. Once or twice, it's fine. But if you always have a reason ready for something that isn't done, your boss will not consider that reason a reason. It will be an excuse for them, and they will stop trusting you. And when that happens, not only they stop trusting you, they stop giving you important work, important assignments, and worse, you may even get sidelined. And that's a very common thing that happens at workplaces. Because in the workplace, professionals who operate with reasons are seen as problem solvers, while people who operate with excuses are not. They often lose trust, responsibility, and ultimately higher opportunities. So here's what you need to do. The next time you catch yourself giving a reason, ask yourself, am I taking responsibility also, or am I just shifting the blame? If it's the latter one, try to change the narrative. Focus on what you can control instead of what you can't. Because in the end, the difference between success and stagnation is not luck. It's whether you make reasons or excuses. If this video made sense to you, drop a like and tell me in the comments down below what are some of the most interesting reasons that you've heard, or interesting excuses that you've heard about people not finishing their professional assignments on time. And if you know someone who needs to hear this message, share this video with them.